Hey, I'm Amy Stewart. I'm an artist and a writer. I've been painting for 20 years in oil and also in gouache and watercolor. Even if you haven't studied art formally, you probably know a little about the color wheel with the three primary colors of red, yellow, blue, and the secondary colors of orange, purple, green. But have you ever looked at a color printer cartridge and noticed that printers don't use ink in red, yellow, and blue? Most printed materials, including books, newspapers, and magazines, are printed with a different color scheme entirely. So I got to wondering about that, and those questions led me to look at how the visible light spectrum actually works, and to explore a new version of the color wheel that was invented over 100 years ago, but is still mostly ignored by artists today. So how is it that the color wheel was reimagined over a century ago, but it isn't taught to artists? And how is it that printers use a different set of colors to create their images? Because aren't we both working with pigments? So what I'm going to show you is a really cool way to explore color and rethink it. I promise that it's very simple, it's really easy to understand. I'm going to do a lot of demonstrations, and I'm going to do them in watercolor, but this also works in any medium, including gouache, acrylic, oil paints, whatever your medium is. Get out your palette and let's start mixing color.